Hi, so I'm Gregor. I'm one of the product design engineers at Freedom One Life. I joined the team in November 2022. So an average week at Freedom One Life includes meetings, doing a lot of research and development in different components, designing components on SolidWorks, and then usually at the end of the week I'll probably be in a workshop doing some prototyping, testing, and validating some 3D components that I've been printing. So once I've designed a component, I'll either go to the workshop and try and make it by hand, or I'll 3D print it using a 3D printer. Using a 3D printer, there are so many benefits. 3D printing is very fast, and we don't need to go to our suppliers to get parts made. We can just get them printed in-house, and within 24 hours we've got that part that we can test and validate on the chairs. So my favourite part of the chair has got to be the top panel. So that's a project I recently worked on to redesign the aesthetics of the chair, making it look a lot more modern and sleek. The top panel has like the nice curves following the shape of like a Porsche, and then also integrated the strip lights, which gives the whole chair a much nicer look. My favourite chair that I've worked on was for a farmer down south. The whole chair was painted like a bending tractor, and this farmer has a hobby of archery, so we had to basically implement a bow and arrow onto the Powerchair so that he could continue doing his archery. We're a small team of engineers, so if there was any special requests that we get given, then we're more than happy to give it a try.